You guys are great. You guys are great. You know that? You're great subs. Martini. It's gonna be close. Risky play here. How mad is that guy? Scale of 1 to mad. How mad is that guy?
Potential collapse detected. Indicated safe zone. Supply drop inbound.
That wasn't worth.
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Oh, it's Dark Side again. You bitch. You stream sniping me? Oh, cool, man. There's a lot of people still. I don't know how there's still so many people. I don't have enough bullets, so I gotta get close. Actually, hold on. This guy's carrying a Spitfire, you fucking cheese mongrel. I've killed that guy so many times before. Joel. Oh, here's someone. What are you doing? Oh, I know what you're doing. All making sense now. I don't need that many trophy systems. I'm probably gonna need a bit more bandies. I'm not gonna be able to kill anyone from that far away with a swordfish.
Net call. Supply drop incoming.
I need to get closer if I want to kill those guys. Swordfish caps out hard. They're still in a fight though. I might be able to, as long as this fight keeps going on. I think the fight ended. Well, maybe not. Hold on.
Sit rep. Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Interesting. Honestly, he might be onto something with the turned off hit markers. Bro, it's so much easier to follow the people that you're shooting at, man. Part of the reason why you think it's so hard to kill people in this game is simply because you lose track of the guy that you're shooting because you see fucking 15 hit markers. When it's just clean, no hit markers blocking your fucking character, just a nice trace, I'm dead. No, I'm not.
Where the fuck I am?
Oh, he's got a sniper. It's gonna be tough. This fight is legit boring. That fight is like the same exact fight at any BR. Oh. What the shit?
Net call. Supply drop in.
Oh, he doesn't have anything for me. Spitfire, man. Gun is so broken. Wait, that wasn't a Spitfire. Wait, what was that? Was that a Spitfire? It might have been. He was just hip firing. Whatever it was, he was hip firing, dude. I said, fuck it, I'll hip fire too. I think it was a SOG. It was a SOG. Okay, SOG is reasonable. If that was a Spitfire, I think I would have died. Oh. Spitfire is fucking crazy. The SMG buff was very good. Too good. A little too good. But I still like to rock the shotgun. It's still got some power. You know? Got some oomph. Got a little oomph in it. Not quite SMG oomph, but it's got oomph. Oomph, oomph, oomph. Fump. SOG and Spitfire close range is terrifying. Terrifying. Scarier than shotguns. Well, maybe. Depends. Situational, I guess, but that what? Just, I'm dead.
Supply drop incoming.
Yeah. Jesus. Yep.
Where the fuck
I saw the crate. I was like, is that the crate that just opened? He's got an SDM MOG. This fucking guy. Does he not hear him? Oh my god. Okay, he knows. He knows. Oh no. Everyone has a MOG. It's a shotgun battle, dude.
where the fuck I am?
The only way I would have been able to get out of that situation is if I had my grapple on. I didn't have my grapple on. I had a nade on or something else. That would literally been the only way.